1950s, Japan was hit by severe acid rains that came from China. Scientists were determined to find a solution to this problem and to find a way to bring healthy, pure water to their people. They traveled the world looking for answers from natural healing sources such as Lourdes, the Himalayas, and India. What they discovered was that these healing waters were alkaline and hexagonal. With this secret in hand, they returned to Japan to make the first commercial water ionizer that would revolutionize our health. Kangen water is a water that is alkaline, hexagonal, and antioxidant. Hence, that has the same healing properties as these healing water sources known around the world. Kangen in Japanese means return to origin, an origin before the pollution of our waters and bodies. This water is unique in the world and is a registered trademark by Enagic, which is situated in Okinawa, Japan. Let us speak about how ionization was invented. In the 1800s, a man by the name of Michael Faraday invented electrolysis, a process that could separate water into oxygen and hydrogen molecules. The Russians further developed this invention in the 1940s, and by the 1950s, the Japanese were the first to commercialize a water ionizer. In 1966, the Ministry of Rehabilitation and Health of Japan confirmed that alkaline water was beneficial to one's health and for medical use. Since that time, over 100 Japanese hospitals have been administering this healing water to their patients. Alkaline water is given for internal use and acid water for external use. In 2001, Mr. Hironari Oshiro emerged with the company Toyo Itex in Japan. Up until that year, Toyo Itex was the company producing this amazing medical water in hospitals. They were known as the best water ionizer company out of 30 other Japanese water ionizer companies. Mr. Oshiro became the president of Enagic, and the company Enagic came to be. Mr. Oshiro has a great vision. It is called True Health. He hopes that one day everyone will benefit from having a Kangen system in their home and that illness will be a thing of the past. He is a man with a very big heart and a pure soul. Enagic brought the hospital water ionizer system into individual homes about 10 years ago. A system of marketing had to be in place, but instead of giving that money to a team of professional marketers, Mr. Oshiro had the wonderful idea of creating a compensation plan which would allow people to individually market Enagic's water ionizer. Now people were not only enthusiastic about the water, they were enthusiastic to share it. In 2003, Enagic entered America through Los Angeles. The first conference was held in Japanese with English translators. All documents were in Japanese. A fantastic team called Kangen One Team was formed, led by Dr. Dave Carpenter, Bob Gradelli, and Danielle DiMacaulay, to name a few. This team today gives weekly conferences throughout LA County and Orange County in California, and sometimes has over 400 people at their conferences. In Quebec, Kangen Water made its arrival in 2009, and our team, Quebec Kangen Team, was the first to give conferences throughout Quebec. We worked hard to translate English texts into French. We hope one day that Health Canada will recognize Enagic water ionizers as medical devices, as is the case in Japan. Today, over 4,000 Enagic water systems are sold per month in the USA, and the numbers keep climbing. Enagic is known as the gold standard. They are certified by ISO 9001 and 14001 and have various environmental awards as well as medical certificates from Japan.